$100 a day, without ads, without monetization, and without waiting for 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Sounds impossible, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can hit $100 per day on YouTube without the partner program. Step by step. And no, you don't need to show your face, buy expensive gear, or spend months making videos that don't earn you a dime. Step 1. Pick a niche that pays. If you want to earn $100 per day without monetization, you have to choose a niche where viewers spend money. Some of the best: AI tools and automation, high-ticket recurring affiliate programs, personal finance and side hustles, high CPM plus big buying intent, tech tutorials, endless product tie-ins and software demos. Key tip: avoid niches where the only way to make money is ads. You want niches with products and services you can promote immediately. Step 2. Use affiliate marketing as your main income stream. This is the fastest route to $100 per day. Affiliate marketing equals you promote a product, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. Example: promote a $50 per month tool with 30% recurring commission equals $15 per month per person. Get just 7 new customers a day, $105 per day recurring income. Pro tip: pick products you can naturally talk about in your videos. That way, it never feels forced. Step 3. Create how-to and problem-solving content. Instead of just reviewing products, create videos that solve problems and naturally showcase the product as part of the solution. Example: instead of best AI voice tool, how to make YouTube videos without talking. Instead of XYZ finance app review, how to save $500 a month with this free tool. This works because viewers click for the solution, stay for the value, and then check the link when they want the result for themselves. Step 4. Optimize every video for clicks and conversions. To make $100 per day, your videos must do 2 things. Get clicked. Use bold thumbnails plus curiosity-driven titles. Get conversions. Place affiliate links in top of your description, pinned comment, on-screen reminders, and always have a clear CTA like check the first link in the description for a free trial. Step 5. Scale the winning formula. Once a video makes even $10 a day, replicate it. Same structure, similar topic, new keywords. The more videos you stack that each earn daily, the faster you reach $100 per day and beyond. Track. CTR. What gets clicks? Watch time. What keeps them watching? Link clicks. What gets them to take action? Closing $100 per day without monetization is absolutely possible. You just need the right niche, the right product, and a repeatable process. Start today, and within a few weeks, you could have your first daily income rolling in. Want my complete list of high-paying affiliate programs for YouTube? Check the first link in the description. It's free. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.